Alright guys, so I figured I'd just go through some of my stuff that I have for the trip. If you guys have anything to add or anything to maybe suggest. This is, so far everything packed up is, with the cameras, 18 pounds total. I will have a little bit more food than just some of the stuff you see here, but and a few extra pharmaceutical / medical supplies. But other than that, this is pretty much it. So we'll start with the camping stuff. Obviously, this will be wrapped up a little tighter, but this is just the top for the tent. You got the tent, poles, you got your stakes in the bag, and the cat. We're bringing the cat, apparently. What are you doing? Get out of here. So I got my... What are you doing? Get your butt out of here. So I got my mask, miniature 3-prong, and then over here I got my ultralight sleeping bag, small little pillow. Emily got me from Target, a second one, but this is my by Thermarest. Got me a nice foldable pillow, big baby. And then I got my stretching strap, so if anybody has any muscle cramps or anything, I'll have that down for. Aside from toilet paper, we'll have a little poop scoop if we need it. This will be the bag for my titanium pots, cooking pots, and face net for really bad wooded spots if we get into it. Might not even need it, but we have sponge just for, that goes kind of inside here, and then I can fit one of my fuel canisters with it inside there. We've got a BRS 3000 micro stove, fits on the top of these. Make sure you got a utensil like a spork or something. Medical stuff, sutures, the works, everything. Got some stuff from work in there. Got some DEET repellent. Oh, this is for the bottom of the tent. And then we got some Pro Meal bars. I sell these at Walmart in the pharmacy section. A full meal in each bar. It's got all kinds of goodies in it. Got your water filtration system. You can drink from it with a straw or backflush for syringe. Here's my extra GoPro. We'll be bringing the other GoPro that we're using right here. And a bunch of giddy bags, or those are actual dry bags, along with this big dry bag, which will carry all of the camera gear. And also some giddy bags. Giddy bags are good for, like, you know, maybe like your food and water filtration will go in one thing, and then your cooking stuff will go in another, and you know, batteries and such. But make sure you have some dry bags to keep your sleeping bags dry if you can, because sometimes the rain covers for your bag don't work. I do have a foam sleeping pad that works kind of as a seat too for the ground. Yeah, that's kind of what I have for this. Aside for obviously more food, I have like some pasta stuff coming, and we're gonna catch more food while we're there. But that's kind of my setup. Let me know what you guys think.